I decided we're gonna do a little flower, a little floral, fall floral arrangement. I got this, where did I get this from? Okay, it was either, I think it was the Target dollar spot. But it's super cute, just as it is, but we're gonna paint it. We'll go with the plaster, and then we'll just use a dark wax. I do want to add a quick coat of DIY liquid patina. Of course, you can get that from Mara. So on the basket, I'm just going to use just our Faithful Bare Wax, and I'm going to put it all over it. All right, we got it good and grungy, and then we're going to just wipe it back. Okay, y'all, look at how that's looking. I love it! Last step of the handle here, I think I'm going to use this antique paste, and because I don't want bright gold, I just want it subtle. All right, I usually use this with my finger. I'm gonna start out with a brush, and then, okay, yeah. It's so pretty. I love it so much. Here we go. Again, all of these came from Hobby Lobby at some point. I'm just gonna kind of pop these down in there. So just like so far. I wish I had a third one of those, but I don't. That's okay. Then I just start sticking, you know, just kind of doing the things. Hey y'all, that's looking pretty stinking cute. I'm just not. Now I do have some of these little leaves. I like adding in those colors of those leaves. Oh, I have these darker ones. Hold on, we'll throw some dark ones in there. Okay, so we are going to, there really is going to be some Totally Dazzled on here. Not a lot, but sometimes a little goes a long way. I know. Usually a more is more. But on something like this, I just think that just this one little piece is all it really needs. But I'm not certain. I may add a bow on the handle. But one thing I do want to add is this Grateful pen. But before I do, I'm going to kind of go, see, because it's silver. I'm going to go around it with some of that gold wax. Okay, so there we go. You just snip those. This is gonna go right there. So we just put in that pop of leaves. You know, if I could find those cream colored sunflowers, those would look really sweet in there. But I love it, and I love the little Grateful pin.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.